Despite that mixed news, Illinois could be moving into the next phase of reopening soon.
WGN's Dana Rebick is here with that story and what places we can see open up for the summer.
Exciting news, exciting news. Well, as these COVID cases are declining now, as you mentioned, more people getting vaccinated, the governor and Chicago's health commissioner laid out today what we can expect summer to look like in Illinois.
I think the common view is that Illinois has weathered this storm well.
Today, Governor J.B. Pritzker announced due to declining COVID infections and hospitalizations and the state surpassing the 70% vaccination goal for seniors 65 and older, Illinois will move to the next phase of reopening, likely next week. The bridge to Phase 5 expands capacity to 60% for gyms, theaters, spectator events, zoos, offices, retail, museums, and amusement parks.
I am very much looking forward to the Illinois State Fair. We've obviously been doing all the planning that's necessary for it, barring some highly unusual event occurring that would prevent a large gathering. This is a very large outdoor space.
And in Chicago, the increased capacity, especially for outdoor spectator events, means more large gatherings will be allowed.
I fully expect that block parties will be back this summer. I think it will probably be more in sort of the middle of the summer and on. But I know people are very interested in this, and I expect it will be that guidance will be coming soon.
The Windy City Smokeout will be back July 8th through 11th in the parking lot of the United Center. 12,500 attendees will be allowed. All vendors, performers, and staff will be fully vaccinated. Spectators will have to use a digital health pass using the Clear app, uploading proof of vaccination or a negative COVID test result within 72 hours of the event. Masks will also be required to enter. Other large outdoor music festivals like Pitchfork and Lollapalooza are still up in the air. Despite falling vaccination rates and not reaching herd immunity yet, the city's top doc feels when looking at hospital capacity, we are still in good shape to move forward.
Our occupancy is not threatened at this point. This is why we're able to move ahead with reopening, and why I really expect that over these weeks to come, we will be able to keep turning that dial on really probably fairly aggressive reopening.
There will be a 28-day monitoring period before moving from the bridge to Phase 5 to Phase 5 itself. That is a full reopening of the economy. Phase 5, though, requires 50% of all Illinois residents over 16 to have received at least one dose of the vaccine, and hospital admissions and death rates cannot increase significantly during that monitoring period. But if all goes well, we could move to that Phase 5. It sounds like potentially sometime later this summer.
Good news. Thank you, Dana.
Yep.